This ring light is so cute and compact, about a little smaller than an open hand. It has 3 modes: original mode, yellow, and blue. You can adjust the level of brightness from bright to dim for each mode. The Mactrem light kit comes with 2 tripods, a ring light, a phone holder, and other connectors. The one with the round legs is connected to the phone holder that is used for phones. To connect the phone holder to the tripod with the round legs, make sure that you connect to the piece on the back. Keep twisting the holder until it's tight enough. To connect the ring light to the tripod with the unrounded legs, you want to connect the ring light to this connector first. Then keep twisting it until tight enough. Then connect this end of the connector to the tripod. Keep twisting until tight. A remote control with 4 buttons attached to the cord of the ring light. The red one is the on and off button. The ones with the plus and minuses are used to adjust the brightness of the light. When you keep pressing the plus sign, the light gets brighter and brighter. Keep pressing the minus sign and the light gets dimmer and dimmer. The cord attached to the ring light is pretty long in case the electric outlet is not nearby. To place the phone on the holder without struggling, you want to place the phone on the side of the holder that can stretch and push it to stretch it out so you can fit the phone in there like this. Make sure that the buttons on the phone are right above the holder's arm. If the phone is unstable, just twist this button on the back here to tighten it. This position is for recording videos vertically. To record horizontally, you can rotate the phone like this if the tripod is installed correctly. To remove the phone, just push the phone to the stretchy end of the holder, and its legs can be extended by pulling the bottom out, and they can be pushed back in. There, you have a perfect set of ring light and phone holder for a quick setup when making close video shoots or traveling.